What's up? If you're new here, welcome to the channel. If you're not new here, welcome back. Love you guys. I have a busy day today. I got a turbo I got to do, which I'm probably not going to be able to get to today. Right now, I got a 2017 Transit T250. It has the 3.7 liter. This is a non-EcoBoost. It's a 3.7 liter. And we got a coolant leak. I can smell it. So let's turn this around and you guys are going to help me find this coolant leak, okay? The reservoir is completely empty. So, and this thing's got about 116,000 miles on it, give or take. Excuse me, 164,000 miles on it. But let's turn this around and we're going to take a look at this. We're going to do it. All right, under hood. 3.7 liter, 2017. Let's grab our candle power, or as Rainman Ray would say, our lumens. All right, we verified it is empty. So let's follow this top line. Where does it go? Comes down. And we're just doing a visual inspection right now. It goes right here. Nothing there. Bottom line. Anything back there? Well, let's follow it. It runs along to right here. Nothing there. What else we got? Lower radiator hose. Lower radiator hose right here. And everything's still connected down there. I'm not seeing anything wet along here. Up top. I see some little seals seeping. But that's not a coolant leak. That's not what we're here for. We got a lower radiator hose. And it goes down there. I see a little bit, and we have this little hose right here. I see a little bit of coolant right there. I don't think that's what I'm looking for, though. That'd be a whole lot more than that. See those little seals leaking too? But that's not what we're here for. And then we got the hose coming off the firewall. Oh, what do we got here? All right, that is wet. That's very wet. That hose is bulged. Let's take a closer look. Oh yeah. Got a big old hole in it. There's our leak. So it looks as if we found our coolant leak on that heater hose down there. So it's not too hard to fix. We'll turn around and take a look back at it again. Basically just a clamp here and then a clamp back there. It's where it connects to another metal tube. And it just curls up here. You can see where that bad boy just blew out. All swollen, look at it. Won't be too bad of a job if I can find a heater hose. I don't think anybody has one. So I'm a sit and duck, or I just get a piece of rubber hose and put it on there. So anyway, love you guys. See you on the next one.